Yesterday evening we sailed from Volcano, which is a really nice island with a hot spring down in the bay. Great flying spot. Met up with the local pilots. Sailed to Stromboli, which is an active volcano in Italy, in the Aeoli island range. Just anchored up, had a really good night's sleep. The boat got covered in a bit of ash. This morning woke up, light winds, cumulus clouds building at the top of Stromboli, so conditions are brilliant for flying. Gonna hike up about halfway, take off, and try to get as high as I can over the top of the peak. It's a beautiful sandy slope on takeoff. It's gonna be a beautiful flight, it looks like. There's lots of strong cycles coming through, little dusties, so I think I'm gonna get hoisted up into the clouds pretty quick. Yeah, I just took off. It's pretty strong. The thermal is just kicking off this volcanic rock.